Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Firya Alfalak, and today I am excited to talk about an intriguing topic in physics, the Higgs Boson Theory. This theory plays a crucial role in understanding the fundamental building blocks of the universe. What is the Higgs boson? The Higgs boson, also known as the ghost particle, is an elementary particle predicted by the Standard Model of Particle Physics. It was discovered in 2012 at the Large Hadron Collider, the world's most powerful particle accelerator. Why is it important? The Higgs boson is important because it explains how particles gain their mass. Without it, our universe would not exist as we know it. Number 1. The Higgs Field. According to the theory, an invisible field called the Higgs Field exists throughout the universe. Number 2. Interaction with the field. When particles pass through this field, they interact with it and gain mass, just like moving through a pool of water. How was it discovered? The discovery of the Higgs boson required decades of research. Scientists at CERN conducted experiments using the Large Hadron Collider to smash particles together at near light speeds. This process produced evidence of the Higgs boson, confirming its existence. Impact on physics. The discovery of Higgs boson has advanced our understanding of the universe and validated the Standard Model of Physics. It's opened new doors to explore questions about dark matter, gravity, and the origin of the universe. In conclusion, the Higgs boson is not just a particle. It is a key to understanding the fabric of our universe. Its discovery marked a historic moment in science, proving that even the most mysterious aspect of nature can be unraveled through human curiosity and collaboration. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. See you.